Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am comfortable in my robe, bringing y'all another hair video. This is from Allove Hair, 24 inches of goodness, and I believe it's 180% density. If not, it's 150% density. I have to go back and look, but as you know, this is just going to be a regular installing video. I hope y'all enjoy. I'm not going to do too much talking because I do the same routine for every video, so if you keep watching, I will show y'all exactly how I install this video. And again, this is Allove Hair 4x4 closure wig. Thank you. Keep watching. We are at the end of the video. Thank y'all guys for watching. If you haven't yet done so, subscribe to my channel. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I will be doing a review later on for this hair from Allove Hair. And thank you guys for watching.